Hello, Caroline over here at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing a full body dumbbell workout. So this workout has 8 exercises. We will be going through one set together. Every exercise will be done 10 times. And this is built to be done 3 times. So before we get started, just a reminder, make sure you warm up before you start and cool down after. We're going to start with chicken wings. So you're going to hold your weights and you're going to go up and down. Working those shoulders. Good. All right. Our next exercise is going to be a curtsy curl. So it's a curtsy lunge with a bicep curl. So we're going to do 5 per leg. So we'll lunge and curl at the same time. Again, 5 per leg. Good. A lot of these exercises today are combo moves, so we're kind of doing 2 exercises in one go. Next one will be a lunge pull-up. So we're going to lunge, then pull up the weights. 5 per leg. Good. All right. So next we're going to do side hammer curl. So a regular hammer curl, you go in front. These are just going to go to the side. We'll do 10 per arm. Good. Well, I think there's 2 more. Here we go. Good job. All right, so halfway through our first set. Next, we're going to be doing lateral raise. So just up to our shoulders and back down. 10 of these. Good. Next, we're going to do a plie press. So it's a plie squat. We'll hold our weights up, down, and press, or you can press as you go down, either one. Ten of these. Good. All right, 2 more exercises. Next, we're going to do a single leg row. So we're going to row 8 times on each leg. So I'll just show you. We'll hold one leg up, working on your balance, and we'll row. And we'll do it on the other side 8 more times. Good. All right. Last exercise is going to be a regular hammer curl. We did the side hammer curls earlier, so now we'll do the regular one. 10 per arm. Good job. Almost done. Good. All right. So once again, this was your full body dumbbell workout. This is meant to be done 3 times. So feel yourself out, kind of see what feels good. If you want to do it twice or 3 times, up to you. But as I said earlier, make sure you warm up before and cool down after. Thanks for joining us. Have a good one.